Dear all, as I sit down to write to you, I am reminded of the fleeting nature of life. Everything around us is temporary, the emotions we feel, the thoughts we think, the people we meet, and the scenery we witness. It's all constantly changing, like the seasons, like the wind. In this impermanent world, it's easy to get caught up in attachment. We cling to what we love, fearing its loss. We hold on tight to what makes us happy, afraid to let go. But attachment only brings suffering. It's like trying to grasp a handful of sand, the tighter we squeeze, the more it slips away. So, my dear, I want to remind you to simply flow with it. Let go of the need to control, to possess, to keep. Allow yourself to be present in each moment, without attachment to the outcome. Watch the emotions arise and pass away like clouds in the sky. Observe your thoughts without judgment, like leaves floating down a stream. People will come and go, like the ebb and flow of the tides. Scenery will change, like the shifting landscapes of our lives. But in the midst of it all, you remain. Your true self, like a river, constantly flowing, yet always present. Remember, everything is temporary. But in this impermanence lies freedom. The freedom to let go, to move forward, to flow with the current of life. May you find peace in the midst of change, my dear. May you learn to embrace the fleeting nature of life, and find joy in the journey. With love and wisdom, Raj.